Get ready to revolutionize your cooking with the Instant Pot Duo Plus, your ultimate kitchen game changer. This 9-in-1 wonder truly simplifies meal prep, saving you precious time and effort every single day. Imagine replacing a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, food warmer, cake maker, and sterilizer, all in one sleek appliance. With 15 customizable smart programs, from perfect grains to tender meat, delicious meals are just a button press away, making it incredibly user-friendly. The durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy, even cooking and is super easy to clean, a detail home cooks truly appreciate. What sets the Duo Plus apart is its advanced safety features and smart design, offering unparalleled reliability and consistent results every time. If you're looking to buy the best kitchen appliance for 2025, this Instant Pot upgrade is an absolute must-have for busy families and culinary enthusiasts alike. Don't miss out on transforming your kitchen. Check the link in the description below to grab your own Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon. It's an investment that will pay dividends in delicious, hassle-free meals for years to come. Seriously, for anyone seeking efficiency and versatility, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is my top recommendation for a smarter cooking experience.